Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to blur the background in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch the quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started with logging into our account in the upper right corner. So if you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor by clicking on it right here. That's going to enable us to go ahead and open up the image that we want to edit. So you can get started with opening up the image that you want to blur the background for. I already have my image right here, so now I can get started with blurring it. Basically guys, what you want to do if you want to blur your background is do the following. As you can see right here at the left side of the screen, we have the two options that we can use, like arrange, crop, cutout, and so on. Here are the layers that we have our background for, so we're going to use the layers as well. First, we want to go ahead and cut out all the objects that we do not want to blur. So as you can see, we can go ahead and get started with cutting our objects. You can use the AI cutout option and so on, and after that you can go ahead and cut out whatever you want. So let's say that I want to cut out this object right here, so I have cut out the object, and now I can get started with blurring. So we're going to go to the adjust option right here at the left side of the screen, and when in adjust, you want to scroll down until you find the blur option. So as you can see guys, after finding it, you can go ahead and get started with blurring it, which is going to blur everything except the object that you have just cut out. So you can cut out everything except the background and then blur as much as you want to get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.